Alright, today we're going sailing on this CNC. It's named Wild Abandon. But just giving you a showing. We're just getting ready to leave the docks. Hey Dana.
Hey Cody.
There's our captain. Engine started, purring away. It's a nice water flow. Very nice layout for the lines on this boat. Nothing gets tangled up on anything. They have added on extra large units. Nice holders here.
Okay, ready about
Ready to port. Ready starboard.
Mkll.
Ready starboard.
Mkll.
Yep, go for it. Starboard. Ready about?
Oh, left, port ready.
So I'm in the cockpit of the CNC. It's very nicely designed. There's lots of space, a lot of sitting area. You have a beautiful Dodger that is very clear to see through. Has a solar panel on top of it. You have a nice walk through into your saloon, as you can see. Very comfortable sitting. You can seat up to 8 people in here very comfortably and entertain them nicely. Sleep 8 people as well, so you can sleep 2 up front in the forward berth, 2 in the saloon, and 2 in the after cabin. You have a lot of ventilation with this boat. Very nice winches, a lot of water capacity. So you have 3 of these water ports. A lot of ventilation, like I said, so you have the skylights throughout the boat. Large windows on the side. There's 2 more water ports and another ventilation in the cabin. You have an anchor locker up front, spinnaker, and a nice sitting area on the bow. This boat also comes with a boom so that you can place an arm on your jib while you're sailing wing on wing. Has the radar deflector, as you can see by the metal steel ball. Lots of heavy duty rigging on here. There's 1 diesel port. Nice grab handles on the Dodger. This is a beautiful little boat. The size, the capacity, the handling of it. It's very fast, very easy to sail, as you can see in the video that I have built. You can easily one-handed sail this item. You have your level gauge underneath here. This is your gauge so that you can know your depth and your auto helm. Everything works on this boat, which is excellent. The lights have been put in. They have aftermarket lights, which are very beautiful. Touch design. Lights up top. 3 different settings. They're very expensive lights, probably the top of the line. This is a very nicely built craft, 30 feet. And your engine is situated underneath the stairs. Lots of space for storage, stereo system, nice large power panel, navigation table, place to store all of your items, charts, books, whatever you need, a large head or bathroom, however you want to sleep. You can hook up a shower to this unit. You have a large mirror behind this door. Lots of storage space. This is your wet locker. There's a lot of space in behind there for life jackets and wet gear. Nice propane stove. There is a refrigeration unit. Your ice box has been turned into a fridge, which is very handy. So you don't need to bring on another fridge unless you need extra space. A nice heater has been installed into this boat. Keeps it very nice and warm. You have a large after cabin. It's very cozy, very comfortable. You have storage here, here, and around the corner down here. As you can see, there's another little table. This boat has been very well maintained. As you can see, there's a lot of visibility, lots of lighting. So there's no dark points. A lot of storage throughout the boat, underneath the seats, in the shelves, and underneath the forward berth. This boat is up for sale if you're interested.